Hello guys and welcome to this video. So in this video what I want to go over is how I'm able to track my ads and attribute them back to the original source. So when I am running my campaigns I can go over and I can optimize ads efficiently based on revenue, not lead cost or book call cost or any of that, because really they're pointless numbers. Because if I'm spending £10 per lead but I'm making a 10x ROI on one campaign, but I'm spending £1 a lead on another campaign and making zero, a newbie marketer who doesn't understand this system is going to optimize around lead cost, but it's not lead cost that we want to optimize around, it's ROI essentially, isn't it? So this is the system I've built to do this for me. So this right here is our main system, the main system I use. I run a call funnel at the moment, so there's a few main things. We've got the first event is they become a lead. That's the first event, first thing in our ecosystem, in our funnel. They book a call and then they purchase. That's the three main events: lead, call, purchase. Now this database I've built so I can track where all the leads come from. So this is sort of the main dashboard I optimize around, and this is the lead of sales. So let's say it's the 5th, 21. So when someone opts in on ClickFunnels, so this is a demo opt-in page I've done, and they'll put their name and the email address in here, and then it will do this. It will pull through UTM data, UTM source, campaign content. This is a test one I did before the video. Now what I use is I use Zapier to ping the data into here. So Joe blogs, and it will. So when someone opts in, it will submit their name, number, email, date, and the UTM data in this left side of the spreadsheet. So joe@gmail.com. And then UTM source, so we can do UTM source. Actually, no, this would be a campaign name. So if it could be Facebook campaign name. The UTM campaign would be ad set name. And the content would be the ad, so ad name. So if we come over to the lead summary, we can see that campaign, ad set, and ad name got us one lead. It's got 0 booked calls and 0 sales. But then when someone books a call, we're going to use Zapier and we're going to say, okay, well, their email is joe@gmail.com. Let's search this database for joe@gmail.com. And then let's find what row they're in, and then let's log data on the same row. So then this could be, okay, let's say they booked their call a week later. It's still in the same month. They purchased. Actually, no, let's leave the purchase one for now. They booked their call from source, campaign, content, right? If we come with the lead summary, we can see we've now got a booked call because, they've booked a call and it's logged the data of the call. But like I say, we want to optimize around conversions. So when someone purchases, I use Zapier to plug all the info back into this system. So again, when they purchase, it's going to go, oh, their email's joe@gmail.com, let's find them. Okay, boom, they're row 5. And it's going to come across and it's going to put the data in here. So, okay, yes, they purchased. And how much did they purchase? Well, let's say the course is $997, as is every course online. Boom. Lead summary. Pardon me. Here you go, cool. It's got the lead, the book call, and the sale, but it's attributed this revenue back to this ad. So they originally came into the ecosystem from a Facebook ad, but maybe they purchased from, I don't know, an email follow-up link in footer of email, right? Say they click the link in the footer of the email. So this lead summary is going to tell us that they came from a Facebook name, they still purchased. But I've then got this dashboard that goes in and says, okay, cool. Top performing ads by revenue generated is going to be this one, because this is the one that's generated the most sales, well, the only sales right now. And then it's also going to tell us, okay, yes, the sale came from this ad, but they actually purchased from an email follow-up link in footer. And it's telling us that it took on average of 7 days to book a call. So from when they opted in, which is the 5th, to when they purchased, which is the 12th, 7 days between. Let's switch this to 7, 8, 9 days, and it's going to tell us it's taken 9 days for the call. So this way we can optimize around sales, and this way we can say, okay, yes, if someone opts into our ecosystem, we know on average it's taking us 9 days before they purchase. So if our ads aren't running profitably straight away, it's cool. We can understand and we can see the data that actually, on average, it's taken 9 days to book a call. So, and it's taken 9 days to purchase. So, it's not the end of the world. And it's this raw data that we can look at and optimize around fully. But yeah, this is the setup I'm using. Honestly, I think this is probably a really simple setup, because if you ever get any discrepancies in data, you can just go in and edit it yourself and it changes on the dashboard. So this one on the left here is mainly, so this is a compact, this will only show sales, whereas this one will show leads as well. So say Joe Blogs. So 3 leads called Joe Blogs, but only one of them purchased. The lead summary is going to show that, okay, yes, we have 3 leads, 1 book call and 1 sale. So this is more of what I use instead of Facebook ads dashboard. And then this is what I use just to tell me the sales. But let's change it up. So let's go. So let's say this is a Google campaign. Google audience group, I think they call it on Google, and then ad, right? Lead summary is going to tell us we got Facebook's delivered us 2 leads, 1 book call, 1 sale, and our Google campaign has delivered us 1 lead, no book calls and no sales. And then if we copy this data into the Google one, it's going to tell us that Google has generated us 1 lead, 1 book call, 1 sale, and then Facebook has delivered us 2 leads, 1 book call, and 1 sale. So yeah, this is the software I use to optimize everything. I use Zapier, Google Sheets, and then ClickFunnels. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drop some affiliate links below to ClickFunnels to keep if you want to join any of those systems. Zapier, I don't need one, that I have an affiliate program. But yeah, if you want to go ahead and join up to any of those softwares, go ahead, click the link below. The next video I do is going to be a video of me showing you how you can integrate this with Facebook conversion. So how you can use their new conversion API and ping this data back to Facebook so we can attribute sales back to the correct source. So if you're not aware of the new iOS 14 updates, the new thing they're doing is they want to use conversion APIs instead of pixels. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. If you want this system I've built, you can go ahead, you can click the link below. I'm selling it for $47. So if you want to go ahead, click below, purchase it, I'll send it straight to you, and I'll also include a mini course showing you how you can set this up and how you can start optimizing your ads around raw data instead of what Facebook tells you. I mean, Facebook's good, but it's even better if you can attribute things back to the original source. So I hope this has given everyone an insight of how I track things, and if you want the system, go ahead, click the link below. Link to my Instagram is going to be below. If you follow me on Instagram, come say hi. I've never really done lots of content around the marketing front, so I'm slowly moving into that. I want to start helping people more with marketing content. So this was sort of like the first video for me to show people how to get on and do it. But yeah, thank you for tuning in and giving it a watch, and I look forward to speaking to you and helping you optimize your ads around proper data.